utilize my time because I don't have any work, and I left my government exam journey because last 2 years I have been preparing my government exam like SSC MTS, SSC CGL, but still I didn't clear. So I think I should start my journey in YouTube and my workplace. Where I am working in blood bank, blood storage unit. I don't have work here in storage unit because main work come only on main center, main branch, main their blood processing unit like a TTI. If you know about transfusion transmitted infection, TTI it's called full form. TTI, transfusion transmitted infection, or it's also called TT infection or disease, TTD, transmitted disease. Yeah, it's also called. It's a blood to blood disease. It's called. And HIV, malaria, hepatitis C, hepatitis B, syphilis. So this kind of test performed in the main center. After that, their blood grouping also detect. So after that, they are in storage units. They send the blood by group wise. Whenever we have demand, so we will call and we demand to say this unit we require. They send and payment according to they are all settle all these things with the tie-up with hospital. So they no need. We just see the request form like this. If I see you like this type of request form and with the sample, if I see you this kind of there is sample. So that's what we here just perform the blood group, we detect and cross match. So it's not too much. It's a very piece of cake work, not too much heavy work. Like in corporate sector, you have a lots of work and target achieve, and your manager, boss will pressurize you. But in there, not like that's why na salary not very low. That's the main reason because they are thinking they know work and they're sleeping and go. Very hardly 2 to 3 requests come out in the night, mostly. So that's why. That's the reason they are not paying me too much. So if in your area have any kind of vacancy, so please tell me because I know all the things how to put blood, how to like component making. I know how to make component, platelet, plasma, PRBC separate, and I also perform in blood group bank, means enter blood group, reverse forward slide method, tube method, can method, and also cross match ICT DCT. Oh yeah, this type of all this work I do, and yeah, and I also ready to learn something new like Elijah and SDP. SDP is the main thing in this line. So SDP single donor platelet is the full form. It's platelet electrolysis which called whenever any patient dengue season mostly require SDP. 1 unit SDP is equal to 5 to 6 RDP. Yeah. So and if you transfer one patient in SDP 1 unit, it increase may chances 30 to 60,000 in a one SDP. So and it is equal to 5 to 6 RDP because when 1 unit if you transfer RDP random donor platelet, so it's also 5 to 6,000 may chances to increase platelet in one. So it's a 5 into 6 you multiply, so it's a 30,000 almost. So that's like doctor suggest. Yeah, but in HTP you need a donor in your family, in your not family relation first. You have another relation, not first family relation they need. So this is the procedure of blood banking and some other lots of topic there. So I will make some other videos. So till then you can subscribe my video, and if you want more videos, so you can comment and please comment in the made this video to how was it, and if there is improvement, and if I made some mistakes, so you can correct me and figure out. Okay, thank you so much. And if you need in my video some improvement and you need some things, so you can comment me. Okay, bye bye, have a good day, thank you so much.